Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the quote which is as follows. Education has produced a vast population able to read but unable to distinguish what is worth reading. I repeat the quote once again. Education has produced a vast population able to read but unable to distinguish what is worth reading. So, if we take the example of children studying in a school. So, when a child goes to school, he is taught first the alphabets, then words, then sentences, and everything is in a sequential manner. In a school, most of the children just learn the topics without understanding the concept. They study all subjects but only learn them without knowing the meaning, that what it is. So they actually just are able to read and write without applying their wisdom. They grasp the subject and perform in exams and write it in the way written in books. If we actually wanted to know the real meaning of the topic and how it is applicable in life, they are not able to tell. So, vast population is educated, able to read, but unable to understand what is worth reading. We can solve this problem from school onwards. The mentors, teachers should teach students in such a manner that they could understand the concepts very clearly, so they can apply anywhere they want it. For example, if we take example of a flower, the teacher should explain students what is petal, sepal, filaments, and show them a flower, so they will always remember in a much better way. And when we give them flower, in each flower they are able to tell its part very easily. This will make all the people happy, and there is scientific development and happiness all around.